Hello, this is Eric from UNC Charlotte, and today I will show you how to create collections in CS Materials. From the main web page, go ahead and click View My Materials. Hit Select None in case you have selected some materials before. Go ahead and find the materials you want to put in a collection. Here I will select all the lectures from my 4182 class. We'll go up to the top and create collection from selected materials. This is going to bring us back to the same form that we used to create our materials. I will go ahead and select the title that will contain the name of my class and my name. I will not add any of the classifications here and just save my particular collection. You can add description, metadata, and classification if you want, though it is not required. In general, when entering your class in the CS Material system, there are a few things that you may want to do. You may want to create one collection per module in your class. You may want to create one collection to store all the lectures in your class. You may want to create one collection to store all the assignments in your class. You may want to create a collection for all the exam and one collection for your entire class. Here I showed you how to create one particular collection, but you can go ahead and create separate collections for each module, for all your lectures, for all your assignments, etc.